Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese toast. Start with the essentials for perfect cheese toast. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 slices of a good melting cheese, and about 1 tablespoon of softened butter. A sturdy bread like sourdough or a thick-cut white loaf works wonderfully, providing a great base for the melty goodness. Now let's prepare the bread. Take about 1/2 tablespoon of softened butter and spread it evenly across one side of each bread slice. Make sure to cover the entire surface right to the edges. This buttered side is crucial for achieving that perfectly golden brown and crispy exterior when it hits the pan. It's time to assemble your cheese toast. Place 1 slice of cheese on the unbuttered side of 1 piece of bread. Then, top it with the second slice of bread, ensuring its buttered side faces outwards. Cook this in a preheated pan over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden and the cheese is gooey. Continue cooking until both sides are a beautiful golden brown and the cheese inside is completely melted and bubbly. You can gently press down with a spatula to ensure even browning. Once perfected, remove your cheese toast from the pan, slice it diagonally, and serve it immediately to enjoy its warm, gooey deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.